Hello there, homie. Today we are building our SEO office. I mean, it's already built. It's there. I didn't publish it yet, but I just want to showcase you just what's going on behind the scene and how I'm building this thing, how it works, and how I'm fixing bugs and how I'm updating it. Currently, as you see, I do have a Claude Code agent here and also have another Codex agent. And during this live session, we will work on our SEO Office application. It's our future agentic SEO system that will take care of everything SEO related. Yeah, so straight away as you see right now, we have our orchestrator right there sitting, and he has a speaker, and I think my sound is too loud and I put it a little bit more low in the background. So guys, once again, welcome. My name is Daniel. I'm the host of AI Marketing Hub, and today I present you our SEO Office right here, live. Woo! Wow, this is beautiful. So this will be a live session. So maybe if you're watching the recording, maybe sometimes in the future, or even right now live, and you just scroll back, feel free to ask any questions. I'm here. I'm just gonna put some music in the background. I'm gonna just be working on the app, if really, and you'll just check. You'll see just how I'm exactly vibe coding an app myself, and following best practices, of course. And maybe if you have some ideas or anything of sort, just feel free to drop a chat right here, and maybe, you never know, I will just add something here also for the sake of you, or in general for the sake of this overall application. So wow, straight away, Mr. Libaya, thank you also, man, and thank you for joining, and rock and roll, man. Guys, I want to showcase you our SEO Office right now live. This is our ultimate orchestrator. He has a speaker, and he'll be the one that will take care of your SEO. I mean, it'll take care of your team, to be exact. I think I'm gonna make myself smaller so you'll be able to see. Oh, wait, I'll put myself here maybe. Let me put it right now. I think I'll be okay here, right? I think I'm too small, so maybe I'll make myself a little bit bigger right here. Guys, once again, welcome. My name is Daniel. Today I'm presenting you our SEO Office. I'm building it right now live. It's still not production ready, but I almost got there, if really. I'm going to showcase you for now a demo of how everything works so far. So the main point here is that we're going to have one brain. Basically, this is the brain itself. This is an Obsidian vault. So if you've never heard of Obsidian, it's the perfect, we can say, local rack system for you, for your, in general, for your computer, for your projects. If you want to have an ever-growing brain, an ever-growing system, then Obsidian is the best thing here. So we have here a brain, here we have an orchestrator, and this orchestrator has a team of agents around. So you can see here straight away we have one schema agent, for example. Here we have keyword agent. Right now, yeah, a specialist itself. Nothing is spawned yet, but let me just show you how cool this overall thing works. So I'm just going to even go right now, orchestrator, and I'll just say, spawn me a few agents just for the sake of this live demo. I'm just going to even press on send, and you will see straight away that the orb became orange, the system is going, the system is working, and it will start spawning agents for just for the sake of this demo. Afterwards, I'm going to just stop them. But you'll be able to see exactly how this overall system works. It's okay, if really I would say it's like 80-85% completed, but it does wonders. So straight away you can see here we have a backlinks agent. Here he has the inbox, he has the conversation. The inbox is basically a task that was given by the orchestrator, so for him to perform certain actions. So we have here the image SEO that was pushed straight away, an overall orchestrator that takes care of everything. Yeah, so now imagine, let's say it's think from SEO Office perspective, from an SEO agency, like how will everything work? And I'm gonna put myself right now in this corner, because at the same time I will showcase you exactly how I'm vibe coding this thing, right? I will even transform myself vertical. Oops, the other way around. I'm gonna transform it now also vertical. Just give me one moment, everyone. And boom, horizontal right now here. So think from an SEO agency perspective, like how these things works, right? Because you need to have a specialist for everything. You need to have a specialist for SEO, let's say images, for schemas, for robots, and for anything of sort. And that does require knowledge, right? So the main point here of the current application is to have a proper orchestration layer, and of course to have an expert for each and every specific task. So we have the brain, which is basically the the brain, the project itself, the business, the template, and the SOP, and the strategy, and anything else. And we have the orchestrator that will take care of everything, right? And at the same time, we have the team of specialists that will just perform specific tasks for us. So during this live session, guys, I'm just gonna, if really, continue vibe coding the current application. And yeah, anytime, if you feel free just to send a message in the chat. I think you see the chat right there. And cheers, homies. Let's have fun, because that's the most important thing. And of course, if you have any questions during the process, don't be shy, I don't bite, and you can just ask. Right now I just had a Codex agent. He was fixing some UI bugs that I had before. So I'm just gonna refresh this thing. And if really, just for the sake of this live, let me show you exactly how easy it is to set it up. So imagine, let's say you have a website or you have a business, and I wanna just press here. I'm gonna press on your client. So basically here you can just put your website, right? Here, just for fun, I'm gonna put Claude SEO.md, which is the website, Claude SEO.md, right? This is the skill website. If really, it's not even a SaaS, it's not even a lead gen or whatever, but I'm just gonna put it for the sake of this demo. Here I'm gonna put here Daniel, owner, and here you can choose your business type. So this is just the initial setting up of the brain, right? We have affiliate content, SaaS, e-commerce, local service, B2B, lead gen, publisher. For now, these are the templates I have set, but of course you can also put others. In this case scenario, Claude SEO is a skill, so it's a Claude Code skill, development, for example, development AI, right? Oops. And then straight away, it will ask me, hey, build the brain or skip, I'll set it up manually. I'll straight away press on build the brain. Straight away live, now you see that it's working. Like what it did, it spawned different agents for specific tasks. Right now on the right, we have technical auditor, schema validator, page analyzer, SXO analyzer, sitemap architect, keyword researcher, brand strategist, competitor pages. I'll even zoom in here. Content strategist, topic cluster, content brief generator, and beast planner. Yeah. So straight away, the system has spawned 12 multiple agents for the task, and is just nailing it right now here. So these agents were spawned and they are doing their work. If I'm gonna press one of them, let's say the technical SEO right now here, yeah. Just let's wait for it to load, because it does take some time to load the inbox, because most probably I think it's because of the server that I have set up. But here, this guy, we're gonna take care of our technical SEO. Also here you can see that we have a few agents running, which is 4. These other ones are blocked. Why? Because first these guys need to finish, and afterwards the rest of them will continue after we have relevant data. Boom, this agent completed, done. He finished his job, and imagine, let's say if I'm gonna press back on them, just give me one moment. Conversation and inbox. So straight away here, he has performed his task very fast. How long it took, guys? Like 30 seconds, right? If I'm gonna press on open note, I will see straight away here the data about the overall SEO, his overall technical SEO, because what he did, he called DataForSEO API, and just for information here, we are using Google search, we have Google API, Google Cloud API, we have DataForSEO API, Firecrawl, and as the orchestrator and the overall system, we are using Claude. And let's wait for it to load, and I will definitely check why it takes this long to load. Let me just maybe open report. It'll be maybe a little bit faster, because I think it's because it's still generating. So just give it a few moments while these guys are finishing. But right now, live, guys, this brain is being created for Claude SEO.md website that was set. And it's damn fantastic. Look, completed, another agent, done. And he will exit his workflow very soon. Another agent, completed, 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 completed. And they have turned on their station. And straight away, they're providing all this data, as you see to the string they're passing towards the brain, which is basically the vault itself. And if we're gonna press here on the vault, for example, we have here medium, news review, news review, news review, medium. So here are basically the beast plan that is being created right now. I'm still working on the interface, if really, because maybe I think it's quite complicated for some of you, perhaps. I don't know, maybe. But the main point here is to make it as easy as possible for anyone to set it up with, really. because there's so many tasks that we can do here. But in reality, everything is much more easier if you have a proper structure, a proper SOP, a step-by-step guide or procedure, right? Because that's basically what SEO also at the same time is if you follow specific best practices. So going back here, here I have the chat. Here we have, let's say, go back to orchestrator. Here he spawned relevant agents. So they were spawned. They have executed by the way their job, but I think I need to fix, for example, this part, because as I mentioned before, during this live session, guys, I'll be developing this application. I'll work on top of it. I'll update it if really, I'll fix bugs, and yeah, just decided like, hey, let me just share it with you so you'll be able to see exactly how I'm doing stuff. At the same time, on my other screen, I'm working also on our Rankenstein.pro. So if you don't know about Rankenstein Pro, you can just check it out. And guys, look at that. So we have, for example, the first agent that completed was sitemap architect. If I'm going to press and open the report, boom, straight away, this is what he created for us. Yeah, very fast. This was done maybe in 30 seconds. He checked the sitemap. So he said info, so active maintenance signals, 54% of your roads updated in the past week and 35% in the past month indicates a live property. 5 URLs older than a month, flat sitemap, blocks per template, freshness audit. So it provided also relevant information in regards to our sitemap health, right? Now going back, let's say, okay, we have also another agent. In total right now, initially 12 agents have completed their task, right? So I'm gonna just even put here, I'll go back on the orchestrator because he's so cool. And we have also, let's say, SXO analysis right now, yeah? I'm gonna press and open a report. Again, same thing, Claude.co guide. So this is, let's say, the Claude.co.md was the website, and he just took care of that. He scraped the website, he checked the SXO, and then provided his report, yeah? Next time we have the brand strategist, the exact same thing. He has finished his job, and then he put all relevant data inside our brain right now here. So if I'm going to press even here, we have also relevant data which is filled. I'll think of ways maybe how to make it even better for you to understand, but so far this is just for the sake of this application because it looks so cool. So going back here, boom, the guy is here. Person view brain. So here we have news review, medium news review. So we have a lot of other things that are needed to be taken care of. Yeah. So going back here, I'm going to go to orchestrator and say, hey there, homie, I want you to check if everything was done and if our marketing brain is set. That's it. Yeah. So what is pending? Yeah. Here also, of course, guys, is a simple classic Claude Code chat, just for information. So same as you're running your Claude in your VS Code, perhaps, or in your anti-gravity, or even your CLI, is the exact same approach, if really. There's not much difference. Still thinking about how maybe to make it this even better, perhaps, but let's see. Most probably I'll open source this application, so maybe we can work all of us together, if really on this, because this does require some time, I think, to work, but so far the orchestration is well, it works, it's okay. And timeline events, the brain is fully built, all 3 phases of the build the brain templates, diagnostics, and so on. So drift baseline, I want you to spawn multiple agents for the task, review in full if everything was properly filled inside our brain, because we want to have and we want to be 100% confident that our marketing brain is ready so we can work on updates. So plan, review, and execute, following best practices. So right now, I think, yeah, it was sent, pressing on send, and again, classic chat, you're sending messages and he is receiving back. In the meantime, I will work on updates. Yeah. So let's see here what was done. Dispatch, spawning UI, UX, okay. So there were a few things, if really, that I would like you to look through. Because yes, you did put there that we have updated and we have spawned the agents. But when the agents were spawned and afterwards they started, let's say, working, right? And then they have completed their work. So this thing needs to be updated also, because after the message of spawning agents, and then it shows just below the chat that it's completed. So let's review that info. At the same time, guys, I'll enjoy a glass of champagne, and I will turn my camera off so you will not see. Wow. at the same time, yeah, I mean, brain readiness is coherence check, not a content generation task. So right now he's reviewing the brain itself as it was made. At the same time, I'm just gonna go up. I'm just gonna check like that. Press on print screen. Put, boom, pow. With testing 1. Okay. I want you to review in full the current application, the way you have set up the chat, because if really what we want is proper CLI like responsiveness, right? When the work is being done, when the agents are doing something, the bashes, the read, and everything else. So the current interface in the chat is okay, it works, but it's very dull and null, and it's not properly being updated in the live time. So please review that in full. Yep. And boom. Right now, I'm just gonna, so please review that. Please review in full the chat window. Apply / best practices, guys, and update the chat interface. It should be proper, same as it is inside VS Code or anti-gravity or the CLI. We want to know what the agent is doing, and also for everything to be properly set, nice and minimal. Yeah, so right now I have set a prompt. So me again, I have set a prompt just to make specific changes. And hey, hands off my pizza. That's a nice nickname. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, if you ever want to access the pro community, please do join. I will never push no one, by the way. I'll not just be like, hey guys, join now. I mean, of course, join now, because it'll make me happy. But anytime you're ready. I mean, I'm not rushing. So guys, these agents will respond, and again, if I'm gonna zoom out, all of them have already completed, I think, their work. Yeah, this guy has completed his work also. Wow, that was so damn fast. Even me, I cannot expect it's so damn fast it has completed their work, because I wanted to showcase you exactly how they're working in the background. I'm gonna put here, meow. I don't know what happened here, maybe some sort of error. So once again, guys, we will be updating this application on the go. It's just right now in its baby steps. I made it like 3 days ago, if really. And yeah, I mean, so far it works, it performs, it's doing its job, but can it be better? Yes, it can be. We're gonna make it definitely better, yeah? So right now, I like the way how it looks. I don't know about you, but I definitely like it. So yes, what I'm gonna do right now, I will speak with Mr. Claude and I'll speak with Mr. Codex. And what we will do together, we will update the application so it will properly work when he will use it in future. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. I will share Mr. Hands off my pizza. I will share it very, very soon, because it still is in baby steps. That's why I didn't yet fully share it. But it looks so cool, right? Also, guys, you can put your music. You can choose your team if you want to go maybe for forest, perhaps, or if you want to go maybe for a data center, if you like data centers and you want to build your own SEO data center, it's right here. But still, this is just for fun, this is just for visuals. The main point here is orchestration and exactly how specific steps are being executed. Because currently here we're using Claude SEO, Codex SEO, plus Marketing Brain. If you don't know about Marketing Brain or any other sort, yeah. So all of them are put together in a way metamorphosed. So the main point here is that what I'm trying to do is, if we need to make it somehow a one button thing, that let's say any sort of person with non-technical knowledge can use it, because that's the main scope here, because not everyone is an expert in AI or in SEO, and even the Marketing Brain, if that was launched recently, I mean, even that can help you save a lot of time. Like usually it saves around 7-8 hours of prompting, for example. walk around while being ill for a bit of entertaining. Okay, I mean, if really there's quite a few already applications done, Mr. Hands Off My Pizza. Yeah, but interesting who you are in the community, by the way, because I don't know. But yeah, the interface is just for the visuals and for us to understand. The main point, as I mentioned before, is the orchestration layer and how everything is being done. I mean, even all of this can be done in a specific chat, right? Because if you have set up your marketing brain already, I mean, nothing can stop you. You'll definitely rank. Anyway, going back, guys, I will start vibe coding. I will start just editing. I already gave a task here to this agent, so I want to fix the current chat if really. And with this agent right now, I want to check just a few things. Hey Claude, I want you to review in full the brain. So, does it follow 100% the marketing brain? Because I think we are missing some stuff here. So can you double check that one for me, please? So at the same time here, I'm going to put here AI marketing brain. Oops, not here, AI marketing brain, right? So anyone just checking right now, we have the AI marketing brain, and I was just going to put it here. Okay. Because right now here, I mean, as I mentioned, we have the AI marketing brain, which is basically a template for the agents, for the orchestrator, and for the sub agents, so they will properly execute. Not now, Claude. And based on this marketing brain, this whole orchestration layer and everything will work. And additionally, what I want to share with you guys, which is something really cool, that here in the setup, right here in the setup, yeah, I have set here basically data for SEO. Here I have Google API key, and I have also set Google Cloud through CLI. So basically here, I mean, it's not just, you know, SEO analysis. Everything is in full, everything is set. I mean, it's connected Google for automatic indexing. We have GA4. Wow, I mean, and Google Analytics to be exact, Search Console. We have also Google AI Studio if you want to generate maybe some images inside some of your pages or some blogs, which is absolutely fantastic, right? We have also Bing Webmaster. It's used for backlinks analysis, so you will analyze it will analyze the backlinks to be exact. And we also have Firecrawl, so in case if there's like maybe some pages that have, I don't know, 1,000 websites that have 1,000 pages, for example, would require tools like Firecrawl in that case scenario. And of course everything is properly set and everything is running and everything was set also, so we can test that we have connected everything. Yeah, so these are the services that were incorporated inside this application. So once again, we have DataForSEO for keyword research and for overall SERP analysis. We have Google API key. This is for mostly for page speed insights and for CRUX field data. Yeah, this is for free, just for information. Google Cloud, same Google Cloud CLI, so it will take data about your website, that being the indexation and everything else. We have Google AI Studio Gemini if you want to generate some images. We have Bing Webmaster for backlinks, and Firecrawl for full site crawling for large audits. Yeah. And here, also just for information, we have the LLM provider. Currently it's Claude CLI, but you're able also to choose between Claude and between Codex if you really want to. It's totally up to you. To change it, it will just take a prompt. Sorry. So that's basically the tools that are being used in the background for this SEO Office, as I mentioned before. So this is how it looks once again. And this guy has, wow, okay, he has finished. And Mr. Claude also at the same time he's checking a few stuff for us. Right now, by the way, disappeared because I'm at the same time I'm having these two agents right now live because we're here live, right? I'm vibe coding and I'm updating the current application. And I'm just checking at the same time in the background as it is. So this agent right now is doing some changes. And as soon as this agent will finish, afterwards I'll review, fix, try again if it didn't work, and yeah, just proceed following best practices, guys. And yeah, I mean, this is fun. This is really fun. Just a fun project on the side as we speak. Going back here, oops. And guys, anyone from the Marketing Hub Pro community, if you're live here, Mr. Hands Off My Pizza, we are giving you invites right now for the private organization repo. You should receive the invites very, very, very soon because GitHub has a limit for invites being sent. So going back here, next, we have Mr. Orchestrator with his nice cap and his nice computer and 2 screens. So he's doing his job. Right now, development, I'm ready, and he has performed. So let's see exactly what is going on right here. Okay. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad. So want me to implement this? So he has came up with a plan of action because here I gave him a task. I wanted to review in full the brain. So does it follow like 100% the marketing brain? So here he is checking. Critical schema scaffold bugs. Note, enum is missing overview. Okay. So I want you to review this in full because even some things are interlinked between each and every specialists, and just make sure that everything is covered properly. And in case we make any changes, review in full and adapt accordingly. So it will not break anything. Plan the review in full first. Don't make any changes yet. Use best practices. Pressing on plan mode, pressing on send, and first I'm gonna go in plan. So I'm planning this all on in full first, and afterwards I'll execute. It's easy as that. I'll turn off my camera, just for the sake and just for fun. So yeah, just going on, just give the prompt, and let's wait for him to execute. Boom. And this theme can be, I'll just put back to Cosmos because it's quite cool. So next action is idle. Every milestone is in place. Pick a deliverable to refine or wait for new measurement data. Yeah, so it means it has filled up the relevant information inside our template, and right now we can even make the changes. But I'm not continuing with that because I have already spotted a few bugs that if we would like to fix, and I will commence right now with those. Okay, so currently he is planning the changes. In the meantime, maybe I'll spawn another agent that will take care of some other stuff. So I'll just make this one smaller a bit. Perfect. I'll put this one like that also. I'll create a split down screen. I'll add a new Claude. I'll put this Claude here. I'll put this Codex here. And I'll make this one smaller right now, like that. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, not bad. Not bad. This is quite interesting, also quite well said. I hope you can understand and you can see my screen, and I hope it's not too much for you guys. Right now also, as I mentioned, I have one agent, which is taking care of the chat window. I have one agent here on the right, which is Mr. Claude. He is taking care of the brain. And right now I spawned another agent, and with him I would like to work on a few other aspects. Okay. I'll put also some music in the background. Oh wow, guys. Hi. I'm glad you're still here. I hope you are enjoying the music in the background. And here I am. Hey there. Still vibe coding, still checking, while just putting the music, and I hope you're enjoying. There's a chat. You can just listen to the music, have fun, and yeah, continue doing whatever you're doing, or if you're just watching me build this thing, uh, thumbs up. Thank you for being here, and yeah, enjoy, have fun. I will again put the music more louder, and yeah, have fun. If something, drop a question, I will gladly answer it. But in the meantime, I hope you like this beat though. It's quite nice, it's quite fun, quite positive. So yeah, I'm here. I'm just vibe coding and going flow mode. Flow. If you don't know flow is basically finding, leveraging, optimizing, and winning the current application. And flow is also a strategy that you can find on GitHub, guys. So I will even put it here in the chat. If you want to rank, you can use this strategy, just feed it to any of your agents, and that's it. You'll rank. So, oops, what is that? Here, I will put the music louder. I'll put myself like that. And yeah, have fun. Mr. Sam. Hi. Welcome. Just let me put this music a little bit lower so I'll be able to hear myself also. 3, 2, 1, and hi Sam. Daniel here. So the main point here is to make it easier for the user to set these things up, because when you set up Marketing Brain, you need to set up Obsidian, you need to set up your DataForSEO, your Google Console, your Google API, your Gemini, but check this thing out. So here, if I'm gonna go to settings, setup, basically here, here it automatically checks what system you have, and the initial setup, it'll be like, hey, do you want to use Codex, Gemini, or Claude? Of course, Claude or Codex, one of these two. So the main point here is that you'll be able to connect your DataForSEO securely, so you don't need to set up all that hassle, inside the chat itself to create the .env local, whatever there is. So everything here is covered if you set up, let's say, the Google API key, even the Google Cloud. So it will also take your live data, Sam, which is so cool, right? You will have also the Google AI Studio Gemini for image generation, Bing Webmaster for the backlinks, and Firecrawl for deeper site crawl, for full site crawl to be exact. So the main point here, if really, is I combine Claude and Codex SEO plus Marketing Brain with relevant parallel sub-agent delegation and proper orchestration. So, and also to be easier really for people with less technical knowledge, because unfortunately, as I realized that, hey, yes, there's advanced user like you, or also there's Alexandra and other members from our community, but also there's people that cannot do if really specific certain tasks. And I just made this, if really, to be easier for everyone, and all at the same time to have just a nice and simple experience in a way. So imagine this is the exact same Marketing Office, this is exactly the same Marketing Brain that we have, right? And here I just put one orchestrator. Don't mind by the way the errors, because currently I'm editing. So just made it like that, so users can easily, let's say, integrate this, like a simple install, run, done. It's simple as that, Sam. I will turn off my screen, by the way. I'll put the music, and we can discuss in the chat also if you want to. And I'm really glad you're here, Sam. What's up? How are you doing? Good morning, Mr. Mobile Condin 5719. Hey man. Well, where is the best place to start learning how to get to know and use tools effectively? Well, depends of your scope. What is your goal, Mr. Mobile? What is your goal? What is your scope? And let me know and I'll help you out. And Mr. Mobile, tell me, what's your skills in regards to the tools? Yeah, in regards to AI knowledge using tools like, I mean, have you used Claude Codex before? Ooh. Oh wow, oh wow. What a session. Guys, I hope because I didn't talk, you're not upset. But yeah, just entered the flow, was chatting with the agents on the side, was testing the things. So far, Claude work, you can say, on the current application was okay, but it was quite sloppy. So what I did, I have saved all the work to the wiki, to the Obsidian vault, and afterwards, all that work I have prepared properly inside the prompt, and I have shared it right now with Codex to perform a full site application audit of the overall process. Because yeah, the application works, but the way it does the audit, it checks the brain, it fills the brain data, it uses DataForSEO, it puts everything together. But still, it requires work, that's for sure. I would say so far it's at least 80% completed. And right now I gave this whole prompt to Codex because Codex is fantastic for long tasks. If really, I'm using currently Claude for shorter tasks, Codex for longer tasks. So right now this prompt for Codex, I think it will run for at least one to 2 hours, give or take. And yeah, I think that's where I will take my break. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. This is SEO Office, Rank Mind, Universio. I'm just thinking still like how should I name this current, you can say, I don't even want to name it. It's SEOOS, I would say, in one way. But it's quite cool. I like it. I hope you like it also. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day ahead. I think I'm gonna close this session. I'm gonna prepare myself a tea, rest for a bit, and then again I will continue. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Ciao.